you had that weed resistance graph going up, but a fifth grader can tell you, well,
Wow.
when you spray that much Roundup on something or glyphosate on something, you're going to start seeing resistance.
Adaptation.
Exactly, like
Yeah.
it's nature fighting back.
Like what's happening with antibiotics, where you're seeing these like MRSA, like these medication-resistant staph infections that are insanely difficult to treat.
Just like it.
Yeah.
Just like it. You know, in fact, some of the weed scientists I talked to, I'll be honest, when I first was going to a talk at Ohio State that said the weed scientists are talking, I thought, oh, I thought it was
Weed, marijuana.
I was like, well, this is cool too.
Yeah. I want to find out how to make the shit stronger.
So, but these weed scientists at Ohio State who are great and helped out with the book, fantastic folks. You know, some of the things, you know, they're like glyphosate's like penicillin. Man. It was so powerful, so effective in killing weeds that and we burned through it because these weeds became resistant to it. And so, and that's where we're at now. Kind of going back to your point about chemicals and exposures. Like Roundup was introduced because it was seen as an environmentally more friendly herbicide at the time. And so
Then Agent Orange.
yeah, you're comparing it against pretty bad.
It's like, would you like to get punched or I shoot you?
And yeah, it had to do with the way it worked and the mechanisms there. But what's happening now because of that resistance, Jamie, I hate to bring it up again because it's actually kind of cool. You get to see this. This is the first time we put it together. But when that weed resistance takes off, I think it's the next graph after that. What happens is, you check this out. Okay, this is what's happening. I put this together with a friend of mine, his data scientist.
Does it try to remember that a lot of people are just listening?
They're just listening.
A huge percentage.
Fair enough. So I'll try and describe it. So what we're looking at is pounds of herbicide per acre of soybeans. So it's just looking at soybeans as a case study. And we're looking at the amount of herbicide that's being used on farms per acre in the U.S. in specific states just because they had data for this, for us to compare. And what we're seeing is this like explosion in Roundup, glyphosate, that big dark line going up like that. And notice, look, we started seeing the decline in all these other herbicides that are really toxic stuff, like chlorinated compounds and things like that. They're going down and down and down. But check out weed resistance, 2004, 2005, 2006. Boom, all those herbicides that were really toxic, including, by the way, the other half of Agent Orange, 2,4-D, is now being used to try and beat back Roundup resistant weeds. And so